Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, there lived a wise and benevolent king. This king was loved by his people because he always took their advice and ruled fairly. But the king worried about one thing. He worried that his people were honest and would always tell the truth. You see, in today's world, we often hear fake news and lies. We see people telling lies and getting away with it. Sometimes we even lie ourselves to get out of trouble. So the king wanted to make sure that his people were truthful, even when it was hard. One day, the king had an idea. He decided to host a contest to find the most truthful person in his kingdom. The winner would receive a handsome reward. But before the contest, the king called all the children to his palace. He gave each one a small clay pot with soil and said kindly, "Here are seeds for each of you. Take them home, plant them, water them, and after 1 month, bring your pots back. Whoever grows the healthiest plant will win a special prize." The children cheered with excitement and ran home. Among the children was a poor boy named Arif. He lived in a small house with his mother and sister. His father had died a long time ago, so Arif worked as a helper in the market to help his family. Despite being poor, Arif was kind and honest. He always helped his mother and sister and never took what didn't belong to him. When he got the pot with the soil, Arif carefully planted the seed. Every day he watered the plant and placed it in the sun. He sang to the seed and asked it to grow quickly. But days passed, then weeks, and still nothing grew. Arif was sad, but he refused to cheat or replace the seed. Meanwhile, the other children boasted about their plants. "My plant is the tallest," said one. "No, mine has the greenest leaves," said another. "And mine has the sweetest flowers," said a third. All the children were excited about the contest. Finally, the day came to show the plants. One by one, the children entered the palace hall. They proudly showed their pots filled with tall flowers, green plants, and colorful leaves. The king and the people applauded. Some children won prizes for the most beautiful flowers, the tallest plants, and the greenest leaves. Then it was Arif's turn. He walked slowly towards the king, his empty pot in his hands. Tears filled his eyes. He was afraid the king would be disappointed and angry with him. The people gasped, and some started to laugh. "Look, he has no plant. How silly can he be?" said one. "He must have been cheating and ate the seed," said another. But the king stopped them with a raised hand. A warm smile appeared on his face. He looked at Arif and said kindly, "Arif, you have won the contest." The people gasped. "What? But he has no plant," they said. Arif was confused, couldn't understand what the king was saying. The king continued, "You are the only one who has not lied. You spoke the truth even when it was difficult, and that is why you are the winner." Then the king explained to everyone what he had done. "I gave everyone boiled seeds. It could never grow. All of you who brought plants replaced your seeds. But this boy was honest and returned with the truth." A loud applause filled the hall. The people cheered for Arif. He had won the contest in the respect of everyone in the kingdom. The king placed a golden crown on Arif's head and said, "In this kingdom, truth is the greatest treasure. It and this truthful child will grow up to be a great leader." From that day on, everyone in the kingdom remembered the story of Arif. They told the story to their children and grandchildren. And so the legend of the king and the truthful child was passed down through generations. Now, whenever we face a difficult situation, we remember the story of Arif. It reminds us that honesty may be difficult, but it always shines brightest in the end.